3 states, 2 countries, 1 amazing mountain biking destination. This is the Borderlands. We're 8 mountain biking organizations working together to showcase the great riding in northern New England and southern Quebec. We love this beautiful landscape of mountains and rivers and deep forests. The Borderlands includes iconic Franconia Notch in New Hampshire, the rugged Mahoosuc Range in Maine, the farmland of southern Quebec, the sugar maple woods of Vermont. We have mighty rivers like the Androscoggin and Ammonoosuc, and countless streams and lakes perfect for a mid-ride swim. We climb and climb and climb to finally reach some epic views and really fun descents. They say if you can ride New England, you can ride anywhere, and there's some truth to that. Some trails in the Borderlands have tons of rocks and roots and steep hills and twisty single track cut decades ago. But our Borderlands networks offer something different too. Plenty of newer, smoother trails that anyone can have an awesome time riding. It makes us so happy to see people exploring these networks for the first time and discovering their new favorite trails. We're really proud of the trails we've built and maintain and psyched to share them. The Borderlands region has a ton of other things to explore beyond mountain bike trails, like swimming holes and state parks if you want to keep playing outside. And when you finally need a break, we have awesome bakeries, cafes, and breweries making some of the best beer in the world. The Borderlands is part of a bigger effort led by the nonprofit Northern Forest Center to energize rural communities and help more people discover this part of the world, maybe move here, start a business here, and live the new forest future. We hope you'll check out our amazing towns and trails for yourself this year. See you on the trail!